First, remove all the plugs on the control box. Remove the 6 fixing screws outside the control box. Open the control box housing. Remove all plugs from the control board. Remove the fixing screws on the control board. Remove the damaged control board. Install new control board. Install the fixing screws. Restore the plug. Note that the 2 plugs do not need to be in order. The plugs at other locations can be restored in the original order. After confirming that all plugs are connected correctly, reinstall the control box housing. Restore all control box external plugs. After the recovery is complete, you can start the machine. If startup fails, we replace the screen. First, we need to remove the fixing screws on both sides of the case. Then open the top panel. Unplug the display data cable. Remove the 4 screws that secure the screen. Remove all securing clips. Gently push the screen to remove it. Replace the screen with a new one. Resecure the screen. Plug the screen data cable back in. Screen replacement completed.